This is what happens when a tire separates from its tread. The result can be deadly.
And sometimes the driver won't ever notice. Sometimes there'll be a little bit of a feeling or a sound coming from that tire, but oftentimes there's nothing.
Attorney Steve Browning says you can protect you and your family. The first step is knowing how old your tires are.
I think a lot of the experts in tire safety these days are saying that tires that are more than 5 years old should be taken out of service and not allowed to be on the road anymore.
While tires don't come with an expiration date, they do have an important code.
There are some codes on a tire where you can tell approximately or you can tell when it was made and its date of manufacture.
The 4-digit code isn't easy to get to. It's under the rim, but any car specialist can find it. Once the rim is removed, look for this, a DOT number. The last 4 digits tell the week and the year the tire was made. Here the number is 2700, which means the tire was manufactured the 27th week of the year 2000. Tires made before 2000 have a 3-digit code, but it is the same scenario. A 598 number would mean the tire was made the 5th week of 1998.
Maintaining your tires is really important. You have to keep your air pressure up. If your air pressure gets too low, then your tires are subjected to too much friction. Friction causes heat, and heat kills tires. Over time, excessive heat will cause dry rotting.
Besides proper inflation, your tire checklist should include regular rotations, routine check of your tread, spot checks for cracking along the tread or sidewalls, and new tires every 3 to 4 years, especially SUVs. That includes your spare, even if you've never used it.
The old days, they used to rotate your tires and rotate your spares in as part of the rotation. They don't do that anymore.
The spare's tread may look perfect, but it has naturally aged. The rubber breakdown makes a tire a target for a blowout or tread separation.
What actually happens is the steel belts that are on the tire come loose from one another. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger until one of the belts breaks loose and then starts to peel back off the tire.
It's important to remember any tire can separate, even a new one. A defect in manufacturing, age, or hitting a road hazard could start the breakdown and the tire separation process.
The best thing to do in any type of emergency situation like that is try not to steer the car. Keep the car going as straight as you can. Try not to react or overreact to any type of motion the car will have. Keep it going straight, start to slow down, brake lightly, and get it off the road.